sa shine mo. Ano nangyayari dito?
Office na.
Okay, that's my last area. I will get the welfare sign after this.
Wow, the floor is sa shine mo.
Lorly! Ouch! Sakit na ba ako? Okay ka lang ba? Ang sakit. Bakit kasi walang warning sign dito?
Ano nangyayari dito? Angela, nasan yung sign?
This is so unacceptable. You should warn the guests.
We're deeply sorry, ma'am. We'll cover your medical bills right away.
Still, this could be avoided.
Good afternoon. We received a safety incident here.
Upon our inspection, no wet first sign were in place during the incident, and that's the direct violation.
We admit our mistake, sir. It won't happen again.
Under violation safety code 12. This is a safety code violation.
So we'll be issuing a notice violation, and please comply immediately.
We retrain our staff and make sure this never happens again.
It's civil because the guest suffered injuries due to the lack of reasonable care. Because they protect lives, prevents accidents, and upholds trust in hospitality services. After reviewing the facts, here's our final decision.
The hotel must pay for the guest injury, complying the law, and undergo staff retain.
I appreciate that. I just want assurance that it won't happen to others.
We take a full responsibility and will improve our safety measure immediately. From now on, safety will always comes first.
Bye-bye.